In this video, I will be demonstrating how to do the 1 mile walk test and 1 mile jog test. The equipment needed for this test is a track or level surface, a stopwatch, a optional heart rate monitor, a scale to measure body weight, recording sheet and pencil, and a calculator. The jogging test is for men and women 18 through 29 years of age. It is not a maximal test, and it should be kept in mind that heart rate should not exceed 180 beats per minute. The 1 mile walk test is for men and women 20 through 69 years of age and is for sedentary and older populations. The procedure for the 1 mile walk test follows. A level surface and the distance equivalent to 1 mile was determined. After a proper warm-up, I walked 1 mile as fast as possible without running or jogging. After the mile was completed, I recorded the time it took me to walk the mile. As soon as I reached the mile mark, I measured heart rate at the carotid artery for 15 seconds and multiplied that by 4 to achieve beats per minute. Prior to the 1 mile jogging test, a proper warm-up was completed. I began jogging the 1 mile. After the mile was completed, I recorded the time it took me to walk the mile. As soon as I reached the mile mark, I measured heart rate at the carotid artery for 15 seconds and multiplied that by 4 to achieve the beats per minute. The minimum time required for completion of the jogging test is 8 minutes for men and 9 minutes for women. This is the information needed to obtain VO2 max for the 1 mile jogging test. Body weight must be converted to kilograms, heart rate is in beats per minute, females use 0 for gender, and seconds in the time completed must be converted to a decimal by dividing by 60. The formula shown on top is to obtain VO2 max from the 1 mile jogging test. I used my values just explained and plugged them into the equation, which gave me a VO2 max of 48 milliliters per kilogram per minute. Here is the information needed to obtain VO2 max for the 1 mile walking test. Body weight is needed in pounds, age is needed in years, gender once again is 0, time 15.75, where seconds must be divided by 60, and heart rate is in beats per minute. To calculate my VO2 max, I use the 1 mile walk formula below. I plugged in the values just explained into this formula, which gave me a VO2 max of 45 milliliters per kilogram per minute.